Just off the main street in the heart of this sunny town, there's a cozy shop where magic happens all around. They say
Locks Concepts, Mr. Kesh, Boston's finest stylist. Call us now on 857-247-1990.
We got our hands in the strands of every head. Cozy shop, from kinky curls and twisting knots we thread. Customers come from miles, let me make it clear. The trend for Locks Concept, you better listen here. Locks Concept, where the heart and soul combine. The love of hair, the tender care, the skill that's so divine. Locks Concept, locking feelings sky high. Leave with a crown and a smile, touching the sky. Locks Concept, where the heart and soul combine. The love of hair, the tender care, the skill that's so divine. Locks Concept, locking feelings sky high. Leave with a crown and a smile, touching the sky. Old wooden floorboards creak with stories to tell. Scissors snipping softly like a southern church bell. Mirror catches your eye and you pause, stand and stare at the beauty that we made with so much flair. No fancy signs needed, word of mouth telling fire. When your hair looks like good, lifts you higher. From the roots of tradition to the tips of delight, Locks Concepts got you glowing day and night. No fancy Locks Concept, where the heart and soul combine. The love of hair, the tender care, the skill that's so divine. Locks Concept, walking feeling sky high. Leave with a crown and a smile, touching the sky. Locks Concept, where the heart and soul combine. The love of hair, the tender care, the skill that's so divine. Locks Concept, walking feeling sky high. Leave with a crown and a smile, touching the sky. Old wooden floorboards creak with stories to tell. Scissors snipping softly like a southern church bell. Mirror catches your eye and you pause, stand and stare at the beauty that we made with so much flair. Old wooden floorboards creak with stories to tell. Scissors snipping softly like a southern church bell. Mirror catches your eye and you pause, stand and stare at the beauty that we made with so much flair. Locks Concept, where the heart and soul combine. The love of hair, the tender care, the skill that's so divine. Locks Concept, walking feeling sky high. Leave with a crown and a smile, touching the sky.